I made a house for JJP. That's cool. I better fly to TSM World using my friend Wings. He's an eagle that can fly. And we get JJP and we flew into our country Siren. That's a good idea. I see JJP's house. And I can see Thunderbolt and 1003 chasing for their crush. I see closer and closer, nearer and nearer to JJP's house. Yay! We're arrived. Oh hello JJP. Hello Sky. How did you know my name? I saw you in your channel. Oh. But okay. I will take you to my country. Okay. This is your house without packing in any your suitcases. It's a free. Yes. Yay. I can do anything.